Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to build a completely professional car workshop system management step by step, and also we will understand how to design database with AI and how to management or requirements with AI step by step. So if you want to be better in programming, this video is for you. Stay with me. Before we start to build a database management design with AI, let's see a quick overview about my project. In this project, we are building a system for a car workshop. This is a small object I have in my project. Employees, customer, vehicle, repair jobs, invoices, inventory, expenses, and financial reports. This project have a lot of goals. Let's see a little bit of them. Help the workshop owner control everything in one system. Reduce mistakes. Track money and performance. I already created some tables in my project. It is not enough, but for now it's good. And also I do the diagram in my project. Maybe you will never understand from this diagram, but let's see how to build diagram step by step. Now go to the ChatGPT or any AI tools you want and write to ChatGPT the requirements you want. After he will give you list of requirements. Read it and analyze it. After you will do that, you will see the tables only from this requirements. I will set the photo in the video now. You will see here in the notebook I write a lot of tables in my project. This is tables. This is only ERD diagram. It's not too much important, but it's good for now. See how many relationship you have in the system. And this is also photo I made it with Gemini, the same object. After you make these two photos, now you understand the relationship and how many tables you need. But maybe someone from you have a question. How can I know from ChatGPT or any AI tools the tables or some rules in project? I will give you an example. See here in the point of 6 invoices and building, you will see here suggested invoice data. So this is data coming in the table, but if you go to the 9 point, you will see here financial management. Here we will never see any data. Here ChatGPT give you something or rules help you in the project, maybe how to calculate the financial or how to calculate it daily, weekly, monthly. So this is absolutely not table or object in your database. But if you go other one, maybe workshop expenses, you will see here also some rules you have to use it in your project, and we also will use it in C#, not now. For database he give you this data, so you make a small table for it in the paper. After you make in the paper, you send him, the ChatGPT, the requirements you only want, and I will give you how. First step, you copy paste this all in the ChatGPT and all object you have, and then write to him, I need created tables to the SQL server management or any server you used. After ChatGPT give you this result, this is not perfect result. You have to edit. See here, I write here some tables I want more in my project, and also some records I want. And be careful with this point. ChatGPT, it will never give you the nullable and not nullable information. So you will write anything nullable null and anything not nullable not null, because make your database more professional. After you write all the what you want and information about database, you create it, and then go to the database diagram. Okay, new database diagram, and add all the tables you have here. When you add all the tables, it will analyze good appearance for you, so you will see all the data here. I don't want to explain my database now after I make the small program about it, but I will give you some point. See, I feel good from all this side. Okay, I feel good from all this side. It's good and better, I think. But from here, expensive table, I don't think it's good for now. I will give you point in database. When you try to the design database at first time, you will make good as I make here. But and when you have a process and program with your code, maybe you will see something you have to change, something you have to delete, something you have to add. I think, in my opinion, expenses table, maybe I will change this table to make it separate, two tables or three, or change the record I have. This is the point, not the first design you get. This is the final result. No, maybe you will change the database management after you maybe have 80% from your project, no problem. But for now, make 80% from database management is good, and keep 20% for when you process the program. So we arrived to the end of the video. I hope this video have benefit or useful for you. So please make subscribe and make like for me, and in next video I will start with main screen and how to build main screen, and I will show you what the tools I want to use to make UX and UI very good. And see you later.